Okay, now what you're going to do to assess today, there are three parts to the study or depth study. One part is to do with abiotic factors, and that's what I'm going to show you here. When we're out in the field, we've got to use our equipment to work out the abiotic measurements and then come up with some conclusions about that later on in the wrap-up. But first of all, you don't know how to do these tests. So I've got to go through step by step and just show you how physically to do the test, and also at the same time I'll just outline why we're doing the test. So the first test we're going to look at is phosphate, and we were given the kits are given in the field. They look like this, and basically they have a number of instruments in it. The first test I said was phosphate. You require this tube and you require this particular container which says phosphate because it's got a tablet in it. So the first step is to get your tube and half fill the tube with water. So you simply get a bucket of water, which will be there. We're going to put a little bit of water in there, half fill the tube. Then we take a tablet from the phosphate, take that tablet, push it through and place the tablet in there. Next step, simply shake it. We need to shake this until it dissolves. This will take forever. So what we need to do here it is, shake, shake, shake. It is not going to dissolve like sugar into a cup of tea, but it'll take a long, long time. So what we're going to do is get that dissolved, and once we've dissolved it, we put it back in here for 5 minutes. We just simply wait. Okay, so now time to look at the phosphate. So we go back to our tube, have a look at the water, see the colour. You can't see too much just like that, so we've got to compare it to a chart. The chart is inside the lid, and on this chart we have 0, 1, 2 and 4. You do not have to stick to those values. If you think it's between 1 and 2, it could be 1.5. So all we do is get our tube, put it against there, and if I'm looking here at the moment, I don't think it's quite as blue as that one, but it's certainly got a tinge. So therefore I would say this would be 0.5.